Hey everyone, Joe here. Well, if you remember a while back, I mentioned that the Google had sold the Nik collection over to DXO, and DXO was planning on doing something with it. Well, they have finally did something with it. They have actually updated it now, and it's available for sale. So if you're one of those who probably got it while it was still free, good on you, but now anybody else wanting to get it, well, you're going to have to pay for it. Now, it's not that expensive, really, and to be honest with you, the pricing is probably well worth it. Right now, the introductory price is like $49, $49.99 listed, and $69 if you wait till after July the 1st, I believe it is. So for the rest of June, you can get it for introductory price of $49.99. But if you want to download a free trial, that is available too. So let's take a look here on the screen at the information that DXO has provided us. Okay, so here we are. It says New Nik Collection 2018 by DXO. Express your artistic sensitivity with creative, powerful, and easy to access Nik Collection 2018 by DXO plugins. So what they're going to basically doing is they've just kind of updated these just a little bit, I guess. They don't list a whole lot of things that they have updated. Matter of fact, let's get the email that they actually sent me. If you subscribe to the email to be updated, this is probably the information you got. Nik Collection is back. Introductory price until July the 1st is $49.99. It's listed in euros here, but it's also $49 in the US. So the looks like the European people may actually be paying a little bit more due to exchange rate. But new, compatible with the latest Windows and Mac operating systems, the DXO 2018 Nik Collection by DXO. They put DXO in a lot of things, make you think they actually made this software. It is now fully functional with the latest 64-bit version of Windows and Mac OS X. It is says new Adobe Creative Cloud now supported. The app is now completely compatible with Adobe Lightroom Classic CC, Photoshop CC 2018, and Photoshop Elements CC 2017 and 2018. And it says new here, optimized user experience. The new selective brush tool is now fully operational, and you can modify filters and dynamic objects freely. Let's kind of go over here to the what's new in. This is, of course, they want to plunge you with this right here. It said, hey, download or buy now before they tell you any information. Compatible with the latest version of Windows, as just said. They show in Windows, Mac here. Obviously, they are being fairly vague on if they've updated anything really at all. And to be quite honest with you, they probably really haven't did much to this. They got the new selective tool. I guess you can now easily access it within Photoshop. So you can get to the Define 2, Visive, I never could pronounce that word, HDR Effects Pro, Color Effects Pro, Analog Effects, Silver Effects, which is probably the main reason a lot of people actually go for the software because it is really, really good. And Sharpener Pro, you can get to those. And it says here the 7 plugins. Let me see if I missed anything. Here we go. So yeah, all those 7 plugins. Like I said, they're not really giving me a whole lot of details. I don't really think they've actually updated much. What they have done is integrated a new automatic update tool, I believe it was, into the software. So now that you can be, DXO auto update engine now integrated. That's probably it. They probably just fixed a few minor bug fixes to make it sure it's fully compatible with everything. And also, it's not even saying here, but for what I can tell is it's supposed to be also fully compatible with DXO's new PhotoLab software, which is the newer version of the DXO Optics, which looks to be pretty interesting and to be a good Lightroom rival as well. But like I said, they really don't have much information on it here. Just it's updated, yay! Which I guess software is already great to start with. There really isn't much they could do to it to really update it. But it's, you know, basically just saying, hey, we've updated, make sure everything's, all the bugs are worked out, and we've integrated update engine, and here, come pay us for it. So like I said, like I mentioned before, if you probably bought this, got it for free, or bought it a long time ago, probably is no real reason to get this version just yet. However, if you haven't got it, looks like you're going to have to pay for it now. But like I said, just download the free trial and see what you think about it. It's got a 30-day free trial. And if you buy now in June, you get it for $49.99. But if you wait to July the 1st or after, you'll have to pay the $69. And of course, that's probably, I'm not sure if that's tax included or not. You just have to figure that out when you go to checkout. But anyway, that's really it. There really isn't much information on it. Like I said, it's just they've updated it. It's basically all they've done. This kind of probably minor bugs and stuff. I wish they would have posted some notes and stuff to kind of tell what bugs they've really kinked out, if there was any. That way we'd have like more selling points or something or a reason to actually upgrade to it. And just these few minor things they mentioned don't really seem like much of a reason to buy this version if you just downloaded a few months ago the free version. Unless you're having issues with the free version, then there might be a reason. No. If you like this video, then you may also like Ashampoo Backup Pro. Backup Pro can back up and restore individual files or entire operating systems safely and securely. Backup support auto updates and can either be stored locally on network drives or in the cloud. Learn more by clicking the link in the description below. So anyway, that's it for this video one. Like I said, it's available for 30-day free trial if you're interested in trying it out. If you do want to buy it, it's available for purchase now. I don't get anything for you buying it because I am not affiliated with them whatsoever. But I thought I'd share this little information out for anybody that is interested in DXO. The Nik collection from DXO now. So anyway, that's it for this video one. If you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, how about give me a thumbs up? Thumbs up's always highly appreciated. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel yet, go ahead and take time to subscribe. Subscribing is free, it's for you, and let you know when I release more videos. Until next time, everyone, thank you for watching.